teacher.
Okay, hello, good evening. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, good. So now let's start the new lesson today, right? Okay, so here. Right, okay, so as you can see, today we will have the new lesson. We will move on with Unit 33, right? Okay, we will learn everything about everything on the beach, right? On the beach. Okay, so now before we move on, now, can you tell me, have you ever gone to the beach?
Mm.
The beach, right? Where there's a sea, where you can see sea, sand, and coconut tree. Have,
Coconut.
yeah, have you ever gone to the beach? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Okay, so what is the name of the beach that you have traveled? The name, for
The
example,
name of the beach is Da Nang.
what?
Da Nang.
Da Nang, Da Nang.
Yeah. Da Nang.
Okay, yeah, Da Nang Beach, right? Okay, so do you know about Nha Trang Beach? Nha Trang
Yes.
Beach. Okay, all right, this beach is very beautiful, okay, and it is very famous too. Okay, have you ever gone to Nha Trang Beach?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, yes, right. Okay, good. So right, that's it. Right. Okay, so do you like going to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, beach, right? Good. So what do you do when you go to the beach?
I
What do you do? Like we can swim in the sea, right? And what else? What else can you do?
I uh, uh, I swim.
You can swim in the sea, right? Okay, and what else can you do? With the
I
sand
can
or
play.
yeah, you can play. What game do you play?
I play
Mm, we can play volleyball on the beach, right? Okay,
sand.
yeah, okay, you play sand, okay, you play with the sand, okay, okay, and you can build the sand castle. Do you know sand castle?
Yeah.
Okay, sand castle is very interesting. You can use the shell to decorate your castle. Okay. Right, that's it. Okay, that is some activity that you do in the beach, right? On the beach. So now let's see. We have some vocabulary about our lesson today. So let's repeat them.
Sand.
Sand, right?
Sand.
Yeah, sand. Okay, you can see these are sand. Okay. Sand, right? Okay, next we have
sea.
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 Okay, this is the sea. You can see, right? We can have there are so many fish, right? And sea creature in the sea. Okay, and next we have
Beach.
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 This is the beach, right? Okay, so what is the difference between sea and beach? Do you know? No, okay, so sea, you can see a sea. When you look at the sea, it's only water, only water. Everywhere is water, right? But in the beach, you have the sand and the sea.
Yeah.
You understand how you have the sand and the sea, right? But the sea, you have only sea, just sea, just water. Okay, only water. So the beach, okay, in Vietnamese the beach it means bãi biển, bãi biển. Và bãi biển là nó gồm có cát lẫn biển luôn Okay, and sea it means biển, biển chỉ có biển, chỉ có biển nước, only water. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's it. Now let's repeat them one more time. Sand,
sand,
sea,
sea,
beach.
beach,
Yeah, very good. Okay. Next, now we have this one.
Shell.
Shell.
shell,
This is the shell, right? Okay. The shell. Okay. Now, can I ask you a question? Do you like collecting shells?
no, I don't.
Collecting shells. Okay. The shells may have so many shapes. They have so many shapes and different colors. Okay. So I really enjoy collecting shells, right? And put them in my collection. Okay. Yeah, it's very interesting. Right, this is my hobby, right? Collecting shells, right? And now we have the next one.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut,
This one is the coconut, right? Okay. Do you like coconut?
yes, I do.
Okay. So do you okay, so do you drink coconut water? Do you drink coconut water on the beach?
Uh,
Drink coconut water.
no, I don't.
You don't drink coconut water? Okay, yeah. Right, it's okay, but coconut is very delicious, right? All right, next we have
Sandcastle.
sandcastle.
Sandcastle,
Okay, we have the compound now here, right? Sand, this is sand, and castle, with the flat, you can see next. Sandcastle.
sandcastle,
Okay, so do you like building a sandcastle?
yes, I do.
Okay, sandcastle. Right. Okay, and we can decorate the sandcastle with the flag. This is the flag.
Yeah.
Okay, and we can put the shell. We can put the shell in the sandcastle. Okay. We can put the sand in the we can put the shell in the sandcastle to make it more beautiful. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's it. Now let's repeat after me. Shell,
Shell,
coconut,
coconut,
sandcastle.
sandcastle.
Yeah, okay, good job. So now we move on to this part. Okay, now let's answer some question. Okay, so the first one, all right, do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I do.
Yes, right? Easy. What do you do there? The same question. What do you do there? What else can you say? Right. For example, in the sea, what do you do in the sea? You
I can swimming and playing.
Okay. So first, we can have some activity. You can say I swim in the sea, right?
Sleep.
Yeah, swim in the sea, right? And what else can we do? We can play sports. You can play sports in the sea. Any sport, maybe soccer, volleyball, badminton, any sport. Okay. And what else? Build. You can even build sandcastle. Right? And collect shells, right? Okay, and so on, so on. Okay. Yeah. Right, that's it. You can okay, you can use the sample, or you can tell me your opinion, right? Okay, so what do you wear to the beach? What clothes
Wearing
do you wear to the beach? Do you wear shirt
Yeah.
You wear shirt
And I wear the skirt, the shirt, and I don't know.
Okay you maybe you wear shirt right I wear so you can say I wear a
I wear a shirt
shorts
and shorts.
Okay right okay so now how about your foot how about your feet do you wear shoes when you go to the beach
Yeah.
shoes yes okay you even wear shoes when you go to the beach I wear shoes okay and okay and I wear shoes on the beach
Use the feet.
okay good job all right okay that's it for our this question right okay and the last one what can you see at the beach just imagine you have you can see a beach right and what can you see at the beach? Now tell me 5 things that you can see at the beach
I can see a car.
a what
I can see a car.
cat dog cat
Crab.
what
Dạ con cua rồi.
crabs okay you can see crabs này what else
I can see a sea.
Sea okay sea we have crabs sea and what's in the sea what do you usually see in the sea
I can see
in the sea maybe you can see ships right ships and even boats boats okay and what else right no okay you don't have any idea right coconut trees right you can see so many coconut trees in the beach right okay and so on right okay right so that's it for some of the question right so now we move on to the first exercise okay so now let's take a look at this picture right okay where is this
this is a beach.
yeah this is the beach right you can see it okay and now first tell me where is the sun
The sun is in the sky.
It's in the sky okay and the sky is sunny okay the sky is sunny right and now where is the ball
The ball is between the two girls.
Okay the ball is between the two girls right and it's in the air okay it's in the air between the two girls next where are the shells
The shell is
are
the
where are they
the shell are in the sand.
on the sand very good okay next now okay the same question right okay so let's move on where's the monkey
The monkey is in the coconut tree.
It's in the coconut tree or you can say it's on the coconut tree yeah okay can you see the fish
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can, right? Point to the bananas. Okay, now can you circle the bananas in the picture?
Yes.
Circle. Right, good job. Okay, so can you tell me where are the bananas?
The banana is between the orange and the phone.
Okay, right. Okay, it's between the orange and the phone, right? Right. Or it's next to the
The man.
okay, the sleeping man. Okay. Right. So now we move on to this exercise. Now it's time for you to draw, right? Okay, so so first tell me about the sand. So you have to draw the word to the picture, right? For example, the bowl you can see here, right? Okay, so how about the sand now? Can you show me the sand? Draw the line from the word to the picture. Sand. Now, where's the sand? Right, okay, good job. Now, how about the sea? This is the sand. Good job. Right, and this is the sea. Okay, right. How about the beach?
Um,
Mm, okay, right. This one is quite difficult. Okay, beach. You can see it is in the middle. It is the beach. The beach is the sea and the sand. Okay. So maybe you can draw it like this. Right. Okay, in the middle. Okay. Between the sand, the beach is between the sea and the sand. Okay, good job. Now the boat. So where's the boat? Right. Is this the boat?
didn't.
Hmm. Okay, where's the boat? Yeah, very good. Now let's check now. Okay, yeah, this is the boat, but this is also the boat. This is also the boat. Now repeat after me. Boat.
Boat.
Yeah, very good. Now, where's the sun? Right, okay, let's check now. Yes, very good. Now repeat after me. Sun.
Sun.
Yeah, okay. And can you tell me where are the fish? Right, good job. Fish.
Fin.
Okay. Now, bird. Where are the birds? All right, okay, let's check now. Bird. Very good. Now, how many birds are there?
There are 3 birds.
Okay, good. Now, the mat. Show me the mat. Okay, good. Now, how many mats are there?
There are 2 mats.
There are 2 mats. Very good. And now, how about the water? Where is the water? The water is also the sea. So maybe you can okay, you can connect here, right? Okay, water. This is water. Okay, and this is also the sea. Okay, so now tell me, where are the shells?
Yeah.
Right, good job. Shells, right? Okay, now how about the phone? Can you see the phone?
Yes.
Right, good job. Phone. Okay, right. So can you tell me where is the phone?
The phone is next to the man.
The phone is next to the man. Good job. How about the monkey? Oh, okay, good job. This is the monkey. Okay, right. The ship.
Um,
Now, where's the ship? The ship, how you remember, huh? The ship is very big. And the boat is small. The boat is smaller, right? Okay, so this is the ship. Okay, good job. Right, okay, so now let's repeat all of the words together. Now can you try? Now, the
Yeah.
first one, sand, okay.
Sand,
Sand,
beach,
sea,
beach,
beach,
bowl,
bowl,
boat,
boat,
sun,
sun,
fish,
fish,
bird,
bird,
mud, water, shell,
tail, right?
phone, monkey, sheep.
Right, okay, good job, right, that's it for this exercise, right? Okay, now we move on to, okay, we will have some question, okay, now let's see. Okay, now the first one, how many girls are there?
There are 2 girls.
There are 2 girls, very good. Now, how many boys are there?
There are 3 boys.
There are 3 boys, okay, the men are also the boys, okay. So, how many shells are there? Wow, we have so
There
many
are
shells, right? So, can you count? 1. Let's count with me, 1,
11.
11. Okay, so let's count, 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
and
10, 11.
11, okay, good job, There are
11 shells.
There are 11 shells, right? Okay, next now, how many birds are there?
There are 3 birds.
There are 3 birds, okay. What color are the birds?
The bird is white and blue.
The birds are white and blue. Okay, remember how we have 1, 2, 3, 3, so you have to use R. Okay, and do you know what are the birds doing?
The bird is flying.
Flying, flying. Okay, remember R, the birds are flying. What is the man doing? What is the man doing? You don't know? This man,
The man is sleeping.
The man is sleeping, right? Okay, how about this man? What is the man doing?
The man is
Rowing,
rowing.
chèo thuyền, rowing, right? Okay, and
Rowing.
man doing?
The man is
Okay, you can say sailing.
sailing.
Yeah, sailing, right? Okay, sailing, right? Next, we can have, okay, now we have the next question. Now, what are the girls doing?
The girl are playing the ball
Playing with the
with a ball.
with the ball, right? Okay, what color are the fish?
The fish the color no.
Fish are
The fish are orange.
yeah, orange or yellow. Okay.
Yellow.
Yeah. Okay, right. That's it, right? Okay, now we move on to exercise this one, exercise C. Okay, so now you have to look at the letter, right? And then put them in the correct order, right? Now, for example, the first one is coconut, right? And let's look at number 1 now. We have letter T. We have these letters. So can you put them? Can you unscramble
Yeah.
Now let's do it. Okay, number one, can you guess what is this? Alright, we have W นะ A นะ H นะ Right, okay, I will give you a hint. Now look at my circle. This one.
Watch.
Okay, so can you write down watch? Right, okay, good job, Right, so can you spell the word?
WATCH.
Very good. WATCH. Okay, and number two now. We have X, T, double O. Can you guess? Okay, food. Very good. Okay, food. Right, the answer is food. Okay, so can you spell the word?
FOOT.
That FOOT. Okay, remember we have one foot, but we have two feet. 2 feet. Okay,
2
not
feet.
foot. Yeah, not foot anymore. 2 feet.
2 feet.
Yeah, 2 feet. FEET. Okay, and number three now. Can you guess?
Banana.
Bananas. So can you write down bananas? All right, okay, good. Banana with the letter S in the end. It means it had more than one banana, right? So how many bananas are there?
There are 3 bananas.
There are 3 bananas. Very good. All right, that's it. Okay, right, that's it for this exercise. Okay, so now before we move on, we will stop. We will temporarily stop and have 2 minutes break time. Okay, we can get out and return after 2 minutes.